Is the leadership satisfied with how the impeachment process unfolded in the House? Number one. And number two, speaking of yung mga members ng Congress who were stripped off of their positions in key committees, bahagi ba ito ng sanctions ng liderato sa kanila for voting against the impeachment?
Well, the leadership understands naman that this is a sacred duty that the House of Representatives has to perform. No, it's very clear naman doon eh. There's no degree of authority that you can actually use in order to block the progress of a constitutional directive, no, given to the House of Representatives. That's very clear. Whether they're satisfied or not, again, the issue is whether the House of Representatives will stand by the Constitution or whether the House of Representatives give in to pressures. No? And what we have proven last week with 257 votes across the country, no? If you do mapping, even in Mindanao, there's a substantial number of district representatives who have voted in favor of the impeachment. It's not really satisfaction. It's how we fulfill our duty to the Constitution. Because this is no longer personality-based discussion. This is about the Constitution speaking. Now, on the second issue, the committee chairmanships, it's allocated to per party, no? Per party yan eh. So hindi naman pag nalagay ka dyan is forever ka nandyan. Kasi at any given time, membership can actually change in every committee. So yung mga changes, it happens regularly. It is not something that happens now. It happens regularly. No? Nagkaroon lang ata kasi ng issue ng impeachment. That's why many are trying to associate that changes in the committee chairmanship of the result that came out during the voting. So I guess it's more of a party decision because the party actually chooses among their party mates na naka-assign sa isang committee na yon who will maintain and who will continue as chairman of the committee.